Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This video is a tutorial on how to create a sales page for free. In this video, we're going to show you the platform on which you can create a sales page completely for free, and we're going to take you through the entire process step by step, which is going to be a fun thing to do. So we really hope that it's going to be a fun thing to do for you as well. So make sure you're watching till the end. As you can see, we are on sites.google.com, which is where we're going to create our sales page for free. Now, you must be wondering, what exactly is a sales page? Suppose you have a brand that is not exactly a big brand right now and you are just a startup and you want to start sales through your social media pages. You can create a sales page for that rather than going and investing in creating a full-fledged website. So maybe you can start off your business small, and then when you grow big, you can create an actual website. Till then, you can make do with a sales page, just like this one that I have created. This one is for affiliate purposes, and you can see this is entirely designed here on Google Sites. So if you want to create such a sales page, let me take you through the entire process. So if you log into sites.google.com using your Google account, you'll land on this page. On top, you have these kind of templates over here, and if you expand the template gallery, you'll get more templates. If you like any of the templates that you see over here, you can click on them and start editing or creating your website using them. But what I'm going to do is create from a blank template. So for that, you will click on this plus icon over here, and it'll take you to the website editor, which is right over here. A quick walkthrough of this interface. In the center is the website itself with the header over here and the body over here. On the right side, you have these elements that you can incorporate into the website by simply clicking on them underneath the insert tab, and then you have the pages tab, which doesn't apply to this video exactly because we're just creating a page and not a full-fledged website. And then you've got the themes as well. Now for the themes, you've got just a few over here, not too many. But you can also upload your theme if you have one. For this one, I am going to go with Aristotle, that is by Google. And you can see it's got its own color palette and a font style as well. So I'm just going to let it be how it is. Under the insert tab, you can see these are all the elements that you can insert. But before we do that, let's first of all give our website a name. And like that, we have given our website a name. Now over here, you will be adding the name of whatever product you have to sell, because this is a sales page. So I'm just going to write jewelry over here, and you can edit the text. You can change it if you want to, or leave it as it is within the theme. But for now, I think I can do with a little bit of a bigger size for the text. So I'm just going to select the text and change the size, maybe a little bit bigger. Now for each of the elements over here, like say for this background itself, you can go with whatever is inside the theme, or you can upload an image from here, or select from whatever is in the gallery or from Google. Or what you can also do is go to Canva and then design an image for whatever purpose you want. So on Canva, you can actually design many things right from the sales page button to the header, the footer, whatever you want, you can design over here. Or else you can simply make do with the images over here. So for now, we have done our header text. Now for the body of the website, you can use these content blocks which are pre-designed. So you've got the image here, the text here, you've got two images and texts over here. You can do whatever pleases you. So I'm just going to go with this one now, and here you can see we've got this box over here for the image. So I'm just going to click on it and click on upload and select an image like that. So say this is the product that you want to add. I'm just going to use these blue dots to enlarge it like that. And let's give it a title, say fancy choker, and give it some details as well, like that. You can add more details as well if you want. Now let's go ahead and change this image over here. Let's add something that's fitting into the theme of jewelry. So you can click on image over here and select an image from Google or upload one that you have created. For creating it, as I said before, you can go to canva.com. Once you are on Canva, you can just click on create a design on the top right side, And over here, I'm going to go with custom design. So say you want to create something that is of a square shape. I'm going to do that. I'm going to choose 12 into 12 inches and click on create new design. And you'll end up in the editor like the blank canvas over here. So on Canva, you have a lot of elements on the left side over here to search through. So I'm just going to search for jewelry in the elements section and go through photos over here. And I'm going to scroll till I find something that's suitable for my sales page cover. So I'm going to go with this image over here. And on Canva, you can just design it however you want to. And that's exactly what I'm going to do here. So I'm just going to place this in the center like that. And I'm going to click on download and select JPG and click on download again. Now let's go to our website again and we're going to add an image again. So click on image, click on upload and select the image that you want to upload and it'll come over here. So when you add something, it does get added as a new section and it's very easy to navigate through these sections. Like you can easily drag them and rearrange the order. Say I want this to go beneath this one, then I'll just drag it below there and it has gone below there. But if I want to add it ahead like over here, then I can add it right over here. And also I can change its placement to the center. You've got these grid lines over here to help you with the alignment, and that's what I'm going to do. So for now, I'm just going to delete this from here because that was actually for the header, and I'm going to upload it again right over here. And you can see it has been added like that, and it looks pretty good now. Another thing that you can do is add an image carousel as well. If you have multiple products and you want to sell all of them or make your visitors go through them in one single page. So I'm going to select upload image and select that. Again, I'm going to click here and click on upload image and select one more image. So you can have as many as you want. I'm going to stick with 4 for this video. So I'm going to add that and maybe one more like that. So once you have all your images edited, you can hover your cursor on them, and if you want, you can delete them or you can add a text for them. And once you're satisfied, you can insert, and these are there, and this is how it has gotten inserted. It's now another section right beneath our product, and this one as well can be placed in the center if you want, or in the right side. So I'm just going to go with the center alignment, and this will be a carousel. So you can see there are 4 images. If you go to the side, it will be slidable, like the visitor can slide through these images. So that is basically how I have done. So this is single product page. This is a single page. Keep in mind that it is not going to be an entire website. It is just a single page. So there will be no navigation in it. So we've got our product over there, and then we've got a carousel of other products. And so this is how you can create a sales page absolutely for free in Google Sites. You can create this for your own brand if you have a new startup or anything like that, or you can also create individual single pages for different product links that you have affiliate to from whichever shopping website that you have linked to. So with this, we have completed our tutorial on how you can create a sales page for free. We truly hope this video was beneficial to you. Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you have any video suggestions for us, then please do put down the topics in the comment section, and we'll work our best to bring those videos to you. We'll catch you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed.